I'm just a dreamer, pero I'm also a hustler. And with DBTK, nagawa namin to achieve those dreams. And isa dun si Nissan Patrol. I'm Emil Javier and I'm the CEO of Don't Limit Kids, or DBTK. I don't really consider it as an old man's car. It's more of, ito yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Kasi every time nakakita ako ng owners dati, growing up, na merong Nissan Patrol, sila yung mga tipo na kailangan mong pakinggan. Para silang mentor. Ganon yung feeling ko sa kanila na being a brand owner, I want my image to be as very professional. Na nandito ako sa streetwear scene wherein very unorthodox yung galaw ng business namin. Pero at the same time, kapag nakita nila na you're driving Nissan Patrol, parang nandun pa rin yung sense of reliability mo as a person. Kaya syempre yung reputation mo na nagmamatter yun eh. You are what you drive, ika nga. Because of its Nissan Intelligent Mobility, the car is thinking for you. Because I had instances wherein I was about to have an accident. But because of the intelligent features of Nissan, na-avoid niya yun. So, huge plus for Nissan. So, meron kang cool box, meron kang very nice speakers dun sa loob ng kotse. And nandun na ako sa stage ko kasi ngayon na I'm planning to have my very own family. And I want it to be as spacious as possible without sacrificing the comfort. And I still want to have fun when driving. So, ever since talaga gusto ko talaga yung Nissan Patrol. It was my dream during my 20s, and now having it right now is a very humbling experience.